The Grand Navi 11.3-inch Car DVR 4K camera is a versatile and advanced dash cam designed to provide a seamless driving experience with top-notch features. Its large 11.3-inch fully fitted IPS display offers clear visuals with a resolution of 1440 by 540, providing an immersive view for navigation, camera recordings, and app interfaces. The wide screen is ideal for displaying a dual-lens video feed, ensuring that both front and rear cameras can be viewed with clarity and precision. One of the standout features of this dashcam is its support for both wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto. This integration allows drivers to use real-time navigation, access their favorite apps, make hands-free calls, and use voice commands via Siri or Google Assistant. With voice assistant control, users can issue commands without taking their hands off the wheel, ensuring a safer and more convenient driving experience. The wireless mirror link feature enables users to mirror their phone's display onto the dashcam screen, allowing them to view videos and access apps on the large display. This enhances the in-car entertainment options, making long drives more enjoyable. In terms of audio, the device supports output via both an FM transmitter and AUX, giving users flexible options for listening to music or audio from the dashcam through the car's sound system. This ensures high-quality sound without the need for additional equipment. The phone Wi-Fi video feature allows users to view camera images and recordings directly on their phones. By downloading the Look app, users can connect their phones to the dashcam's Wi-Fi, providing instant access to recorded footage, which is especially useful for reviewing incidents or sharing videos. With the GPS driving track functionality, the DVR can display and record your speed, coordinates, and driving track in real time. This feature is highly beneficial for tracking your route, and it can be viewed in detail using a dedicated player for playback. However, to enable this feature, a GPS antenna version needs to be purchased. The device also includes USB fast charging with a 5 volts, 3A output, ensuring that your phone or other devices remain charged during long trips. Additionally, it supports a backup camera input, making parking and reversing safer and easier by displaying the rear view on the screen. The Grand Navi 11.3-inch Car DVR 4K camera is a highly functional and advanced device that enhances driving safety, entertainment, and monitoring.